Guys, welcome to Referral Rocket. I'm Karan, and in this video, we'll see how you can add affiliates to your program. So typically, affiliates can join your program through the referral link or your campaign link by filling out the information. But if for whatever reason you have to add partners or affiliate manually, you can simply go into your campaign and head to the affiliates section where you got the active affiliates and the pending affiliates. If you have to approve affiliates, those affiliates would be in the pending list, depending on your setting. In this case, auto approve is yes. So all the affiliates who would join your program would automatically be approved, right? But if your setting is no, you would need to go into the pending list to approve the affiliates. All right. Now, the other way you can add affiliates directly is by just click on the add affiliate, add in the information of your affiliate, and you're good to go. You can also go into their profile section and edit the referral code to be more personalized.